Let's get to know the Littlest Pet Shop farm animals in real life. This is Kimmy Lambton. Kimmy is a lamb. This is Drew McHoof. Drew is a horse. This is Rick Chicken Cluck. Rick is a rooster. This is Petula Woolride. Petula is a sheep. This is May Duckley. May is a duck. This is Coronite Burro. Coronite is a donkey. This is Nita Alpaca. Nita is an alpaca. This is Jersey Cowlick. Jersey is a cow. This is Cornflower Blue Wool. Cornflower is a lamb. This is Madima North. Madima is a horse. This is Hattie Liaman. Hattie is a llama. This is Cotton Top Curlicue. Cotton Top is a lamb. This is Steady Saddler. Steady is a horse. This is Sunny Chicken Cluck. Sunny is a chick. These are pigs in a pink and a red teacup. They are pigs. This is Glisten Cowbie. Glisten is a cow. This is Lovelace McMare. Lovelace is a horse. These are cows in a bell. They are cows. This is Chevrolet Tanwood. Chevrolet is a horse. This is Livy Lambton. Livy is a lamb. This is Dash Horston. Dash is a horse. This is Sunny Sherling. Sunny is a lamb. This is Mare McSteed. Mare is a horse. These are pink and purple ponies with a crown. They are ponies. Tex is a horse.
Thank you for watching this video on Kiddopedia. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more educational videos for children.